Okay, this one bedroom, it has a small balcony. Wow, nice. It's look nice actually. Yes, just two windows. It look brighter, but three doors. Yeah, it's a kitchen. This door should be this side. It was more better because this kitchen and this one are together. It's fine. Has to go. By the way, one is having a shower, one is having a tub. There's a difference between the both bathrooms. I'll show you outside. The balcony. That is the iconic mosque, you can say. It's a red mosque, is called Barsha. And the parking in the old building, yes. Barsha 1, actually, it's Barsha 1. Show the difference between the both one bedroom. This is the tub, you have bathtub, and that is toilet for the guest, and this one having a shower. So if you have parents, you can give them the shower one. Okay, thanks for watching my videos, guys. Just subscribe, share.